Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the question with respect to B. Now we are solving. It is saying that construct a minimal DFA which contains set of offspring over A comma B. So sigma is same A comma B. Now it's saying that number of B should be equal to 2. Okay, so first they are saying that you construct a minimal DFA which contains set of offspring over A comma B. So sigma is going to A comma B in such a way that number of B should be equal to 2. So number of B is going to 2. Now see, initial state is going to indicate, now it will indicate number of B because now I want number of B should be equal to 2. So this is indicating that number of B is 0. Now by getting 1B, number of B is going to 1. Now before getting first B, I can have any number of A. Any number in any number of A, number of B is going to be 0. So I will keep a loop of. See, as I have told you that when I am counting number of B, I will keep a loop of A. Now here also I will keep a loop of A because after getting first B, any number of A I am getting, number of B is going to remain same. Any number of A is not going to change the number of B. Okay. Now by getting again B, number of B is going to 2. I need to accept it. But if I get A, number of B is going to remain same. So I will keep a loop of A. If I again get B, reject. Dead state. Why? Because now number of B is now greater than 2. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2. Now it's greater than 2. Okay, so it will go into dead state and it will keep a loop of A. Now for when greater than equal to 2, similarly we will do u0. Till this it is going to same. Now Q2. This is indicating that number of B is 2. Now it can even, if you are having more than 2 B's, then also it belongs to this line. So we will keep a loop of B. Now any number of A is not going to reflect a number of B's. So we will keep a loop of this. Similarly for number of C, when I am counting B, I am keeping a loop of A. Similarly we will do for when number of B should be smaller than equal to 2. Okay, so initial state I will make as final state because number of B is a 0. Any number of A, I will keep a loop because any number of A is having number of B as 0. Now again by getting B, number of B is now 1. Belongs to this line, I will make a final state. Now any number of A, I will keep a loop because again it's not going to reflect anything. B, Q2, number of B is 2, see, is smaller than equal to 0 is around, 1 is around, 2 is around. Any number of A, keep a loop. Now by getting again B, it will go to gate state. So if this type of question in gate exam they will ask you, so whatever string, whatever will be the sigma, so if I change here sigma ABC, if I will even include C, then AC will be in the loop. AC will be in the loop. But because it is not going to change anything. Okay, because I am counting B, so I will keep a loop of AC. Whichever symbol I am counting, I will just count that. Okay, I will means by getting that I will go to another state like next state. But for rest of the symbol I will keep a loop because I am not counting that. Okay, so this is done for number of B's.